Even 5 years not ready to marry.
But I just take a look at me. I don't have time for sugar daddies.
Me and the sugar
I
daddy.
don't have wahala for
God
any
have
married
mercy
men.
upon
No,
us.
just your number I just want. Just your
Okay,
number.
bring your phone. You are sure you are not married?
Marry, see my hand now.
You are sure you are not
I
married?
never married.
If I discover that you are married,
How many
I
times
never
did they
married.
tell you?
yeah. What is this? What is this? Is this not my dearest wife?
Wait.
Oga!
Oh!
Sorry, oh, sorry, oh. May
No,
God
just-
not allow them, make them kill you.
All these nonsense Enugu men that will never admit that they are married when they are. Did I force you to go and get married early? I will take this nonsense phone. Take